Here we are. We have to climb another extra floor.
8:45 to 10:40.
This is one of the guest rooms. Never mind, the toilet. Jargi.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್?
Okay. Another. So this floor has about 5 rooms, and below this there's another level that has about 4 rooms. I heard this place has about completely 11 rooms, so which is good. So this is how it looks. Okay. So I guess that's about it. Going down now. Ta-da!